Today we're going to draw a dolphin with a border made up of little fish. You'll need a piece of paper on a horizontal orientation, your drawing pen, and watercolors. If you'd like to make bubbles, you can use a crayon or an oil pastel for a little crayon resist. This is a really quick little drawing. Start with your border. It could be a fat border or a skinny border. Oh, looks like I have a little bit of each, huh? All right, let's start with the whale that's swimming in the ocean. I'll start with his nose, and I'm going to swing up to the top and end there. It's a nice little curve. Start again here. Now curve around. Stop halfway through. We're going to do his bottom fin, or actually his side fin. Now this is not going to necessarily close there. I'm going to swing way up and end right there. Notice I didn't close that line. And remember, if we're going too fast, just pause the video and then pick up again. There's his eye and a marking. You can probably fill that with crayon resist to keep it white. Then here's the bottom of his body. It goes up, down across his fin and then into this line right there. Now from here, I'm going to do a curve to the out on both sides, curve out to both sides. In, but I'm not going to close it off. I'm going to make a V, upside down V. There. And the top fin. That's it. That's all of the whale drawing. Now you get to work on your pattern, which is an oval and a triangle. Oval and a triangle. Oval and a triangle. Add a dot so it looks like, looks like fish. And if it's easier to turn your paper to draw the pattern, turn your paper. Looks like I get to have skinny fish over here, and then I'm going to have nice fat fish over here. Make it work for you. You know, be creative. You're the artist. This is for fun. Okay? Now I'm going to show you some examples of work that's been done in class so you have some ideas of what you'd like to do. Here are samples of work done in class. They've been Xeroxed, so some of these colorful fish have been cut off. Here's some seagrass and lovely goldfish. And here, this student used the crayon resist to create watermarks and bubbles. Very nice. And this is where we started. Okay, have some fun painting your dolphin. Bye.